I'm here with my Glock 41 and I've got an interesting variety of ammunition here. My question is, will it run it? Here I have a already lightly striked 45 ACP. Find out. Looks like Glock can shoot it. A failed reload. As you can see, the jacket got scraped off outside of the casing. All right, moment of truth. Will it chamber? It appears so. Will it fire? Also yes. Last off is the broken composite 45 ACP. Don't do this at home. Will it chamber? No. I got it in there. And I know what y'all are gonna say, but I'm gonna apologize for you. I'm sorry, Mr. Extractor. Will it fire? It did, but it did not eject.